there, welcome to the channel. I'm Cindy Daychak with Queen Bee Creations, and you are joining me for 30 days of Christmas ornaments. So one a day for 30 days. If you're coming in the middle, there's a bunch to catch up on, more following, wherever you happen to be in the 30 days. Today, we are going to be starting with a little lentil ornament. So these are the ones that are round and flat, right? Shaped like a lentil. I'm just going to cut away the string because it drives me nuts. And we are going to be popping off the cap for right now. This is going to be super easy, super quick. It is a fun one that you can do with your kids. You'll see what I mean as we get started here. So let me pull you in. Now, let me start by saying you could paint this ornament in kind of a brownish color. But I have a faster, easier way that I'm going to do this. So what I am doing is I am taking a spray adhesive. You could just squirt in a polyacrylic top coat, right? That's going to be dry clear and, you know, do it around. I have this on my shelf. It's faster, it's easier. It tends to kind of go all over. I still get some running of it, but that'll be okay. I'm just gonna kind of let that move a little bit. What we're gonna do now that it's sort of, hopefully, all coated, I have some kind of golden brown, bronzy sort of mini sparkles from the dollar store. What color do they call this? I don't think that they call it a color. Nope, it just is. They say, look at the jar, that's the color. And I'm gonna pour it inside. So while my top coat is wet, and I have more than I need in there, that's okay, because now I'm just gonna shake it around. I'm gonna coat the inside of that bauble. Look at that. Way prettier than brown. And I'm just going to drop the rest of this back in. You could drop this onto a separate little piece of paper to let it dry in case there's glue. I just didn't care. And then we have this wonderful sparkly bronze colored disc. So now we're going to paint on it. I'm going to start off by using a paint marker, but you could get out your acrylic paints, whatever you want. Now, because this is kind of a dark color, things like black, etc., don't show up very well. So what I like to do then is to do it kind of in white. Yeah, that wasn't very good, but it'll do. So I'm going to base coat everything, all of my design elements in white, so then I can paint over top of them. So I'm just going to do kind of a little heart-shaped cheeks. Just little extra dots for fun. And we're going to take a mouth. So I'm going to let this white dry so then I can overpaint in my other colors. So all that's left to do is to finish coloring these guys in. So giving my heart's going to need a little bit more color. But I'll do another coat as soon as this is dried. And I'm going to want, here's my black pen, I'm going to want to add some black in the eyes. Black mouth. I'll fix up the red but we end up with a cute little gingerbread head. And these are finished little gingerbread faces. These are so cute, guys. I love these, and I really like them with those bronzy toned sparkles rather than just a flat painted surface. Also, then all of that's on the inside. Now, this paint that's on the outside is not sealed yet. So you could paint it over with a sealer, you could spray it with a sealer. Just unsealed, it's likely to scratch off of this surface. But so cute. Let me know what you think of these ones. I think they're adorable. You can have your own opinion. But looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, take care.